Okay guys, so today we're going to make some beef tailbone soup. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to make a beef tailbone soup today, and these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our soup. So here we have our beef tailbone, and I seasoned it with some olive oil, some salt, some garlic powder, some chive, and some a no chicken bouillon cube, which does not have any MSG and is also gluten free. And I left this to marinate overnight. I also added black pepper to it as well. And then here I have one dasheen, I have pumpkin, I have some cabbage, I have sweet potato, I have carrots, I have some chive again, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to brown the beef tailbone with some oil and the garlic, and then I'm going to add everything in and then some water. Of course, you can also use chicken stock as well if you so desire. So let's get started. There's something else I'm also going to add to my soup as well, which is this organic 24 herbs and spices from Bragg. I'm going to leave a link in the description, both for this and also for the no chicken bouillon cube that I used as well. What I also seasoned this beef tailbone with grated garlic and grated ginger. I had also seasoned this beef tailbone with it, and like I said, I left it overnight to marinate. So we just want to leave this to brown, and we're going to brown it on both sides. So we're just going to leave this to brown, and we're going to brown it on both sides, and after that I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in the brown potatoes and the vegetables. now I'm going to add the water. And what I did is that I put some water in the same bowl that I had the beef tailbone seasoned in. So I just used that same bowl and added water to it. I'm going to add a little more water to this. I'm just scraping the bottom to get out all that ground bits. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this 24 herbs and spices seasoning. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this up to a boil, and then I'm going to lower the heat and allow the soup to simmer for a while until the meat is completely cooked. So guys, if you purchase this via my link, I get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you, but it's just a way to help support the channel. So if you do use my link, I'll be most grateful. Okay guys, so now that this has come up to a boil, we're going to turn down our flame to low. We're going to cover it and we're going to allow it to cook until everything is completely cooked through. After that, we're going to taste for salt and we will adjust the salt as the case may be. Okay guys, so our beef tailbone soup is now completed. We're just going to taste now and adjust for salt. Okay. I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt. It tastes like it has, it's not too bad, but I'll probably just add just a little baby pinch and then that's it. So once again guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to hit that bell notification so you will know when new videos are posted. See you in my next video. Bye for now.